This tutorial on web development and monetizing your website so you can make money online. Last I've programmed a website and added it to Google's AdSense, but it did not provide enough value. So right now I'm trying to make a bigger web project about electrical engineering, and I have multiple pages. For example, this with an interactive calculator. Here I want to calculate the parallel resistance of two resistors, and last time I've wrote a testing script on why is it not working? What the fuck? On building this, and yeah. Okay, so we have some export problem, but we can fix this. And we just put this in the HTML. Oh, wait, the name of the normal file, and then we will open with live server. Okay, then it works, yeah. Okay. Now I think, okay, we can increase here a little bit. We can still like write the formula of the parallel resistance and whatsoever. But I think I will make a new calculator. And I also want to make like a download portal where I will upload some of my student notes. I think this is also interesting to, have PDF files and then, having people to download them. I think I might do this before actually. Yeah, let me see. Okay, we have now the formula. Wait, the formula. And I also want to structure this better. Formula, perfect. To go back to the folder and documents, right. Amateur Tech Geek, and I am in the public file and I have the interactive calculators. So now I want to make a new folder on parallel resistance, and we will then need to copy all files or cut them into the parallel resistance. Oh fuck, what have I done? No. I want to rename this parallel to parallel resistance because it's only for two. This is also crucial, like really good folder naming. But then in the path in the landing HTML will then change. So you also need to keep that in mind, that in interactive calculators you have the folder called two parallel, oh my god, dyslexic para. Wait, why is there no fucking parallel to parallel resistance? Resistance. Okay. So now we need to check if this is working. Here run, start debugging, and then calculator for parallel resistors. Parallel circuit diagram. Okay, the path to the picture, to the graphic also changes. Let's go to that link and we need to images, circuits. Where is it? Explorer. And images, circuits. No, I don't know how to make the link maybe public. Public images. Yeah, let's see about that. Oh wait, that's not it. Yeah. Why is the picture? Why is there no? Okay, because I changed the folder structure, I I needed to change a path. I just went up to the public directory and I put in ls-r and I told AI that I think my path is wrong and I gave him my folder structure and the path and then it fixed it for me. Yeah, now I see the picture again. Okay, so now I think our parallel resistor calculator is good to go. I mean, it's not the prettiest application, but you know, it works. And yeah, in the next episode, I want to make a little, I don't know, library where I can like upload notes or I don't know, PDF files and people can download them. Yeah, I think this is also interesting.